sorry, the number you have reached is not in service.
Oh, hello, vlog fans. It's me, Garlic, the intergalactic bellboy at the Truffle Hotel in deep space. That's the door to the guys' toilet. You don't want to go in there. Not at your age. It's the other door. The other door, dearie. Madonna's still here, bless her heart. She's getting on now. She's still the material girl, though. Well, she wears a lot more material because she feels the cold more. A lot more material, old girl. That's not the ladies' toilets either, Madge. That's the emergency airlock. You don't want to be sucked out into space again, do ya? No, it's cold out there, isn't it? Yeah, I needed a lot more material. No! Don't press that button, Madonna, please don't! Well, fans, I hope you enjoyed my garlic vlog. Keep coming back and get more sights into the intergalactic lifestyle of a bellboy in the craziest hotel in the universe. And don't forget, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Please click up subscribe if you want to keep following my adventures.
We're sorry, the number you have reached is not in service. Please check the number or try your call again.